Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about, are cat hair dangerous for humans? Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it is uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now, yes, cat's hair can be dangerous to humans. It depends upon a few things. Now, some humans are allergic to cat hairs, and some people can have allergic reactions, whereas not all people have this. But those people who are allergic can have allergic reaction to cat hair. Along with that, if it goes to the respiratory system, it can create a lot of problem. It can also create itchy eyes and runny nose because if the hair gets inside your body, then there is definitely a chance that it will create some side of problems. Now, because this cat hair is actually a foreign element for your body, and as you know, our body tries to reject every kind of thing for that is foreign to his body. So your body will try to get rid of the cat hair, but if it's inside your body, then it can create a lot of reactions over there in the process of getting rid of the cat hair, and in the process of the cat hair being not able to get rid of your body because it's a hair. It cannot be just be get rid of them easily because it's a thing that cannot be destroyed so easily. So that's the reason why your body can react pretty differently, and the reaction also varies from person to person. Not everybody feels that bad about cat hair, even if they inhale a few of them. If they somehow if they get few of the cat hair inside their body, they don't feel much of a thing because there are many owners out there, many cat owners out there, and you can almost assume that they have encountered this a few times, as not all of them shows a negative effect, but it can have negative effect because the cat hair can also get inside human body by through food, because if you have a cat over there, it's possible that the cat hair may come across some of the foods, because the cat can roam around here and there, and if let's say the food is kept open and the cats show some interest, and the cat hair can fall over there. Some people also eat them. Now some people may not have any reaction with that, but some people can have reaction. So let's say if your body is not unable to tolerate with the cat hair, then you can have some stomach problems and can other have some kind of infection that can happen if you are not actually habituated with the cat hair. Although the cat owner may not even feel that because they are being consistently living with the cats, they do not even feel that, because as you have seen, the cat owners are also seen to sleep with their cat. So you can assume that if the cat hair was really causing them the problem, then they wouldn't have been able to do that. Now since they don't always they are always living with the cats and they are not feeling the side effects, so you can assume that they are not actually having much of a side effects. Now it depends upon the individual. Now, there are also many cat owners out there that are not aware that this creating some sort of reaction. Now, some people get allergic reaction because of cat hair, but they are not completely aware what's causing the allergy, and because of that, they continue to live with their and their allergy keeps on increasing. Now, if you suspect that you're having allergies, and if you suspect that it's happening after you're getting close to the cat, then you should definitely assume that can be possible because of the cat. Now, you should go and check up with the doctor, and doctor can give you some remedy. Along with that, doctor may also you ask you to keep your cats away at all, keep your cats away from you, and not sleep with them, at least do a few things, because it won't be possible to completely get rid of them because they are your pet. So in those situations you have to consult a doctor and find a best solution that can suit you, and also you can keep your cat. Now some people have this kind of allergic reaction, and some of them even gets very severe, because allergic reaction can vary from low, mild to extremely severe. So the people who can have extremely severe allergic reaction to cat hair can also die because of the cat hair is not treated on time. Now because of this reason, is pretty much you can assume that is try to avoid in coming in close contact with the cat hair in a way that it doesn't get inside your body. If you can do that, then definitely you can always make sure that you are not getting sick because of the cat you own, or if you have a neighborhood cat, in that they are not making you sick. If you are able to keep some few maintain some rules, and that will allow you to be safe. Now make sure after you are petting a cat, make sure to wash your hand properly. Make sure that there are not cat fur all uh, on your dress or anywhere else. Clean those off, and then I am not suggesting you to stop petting the cat, because it's impossible. Even I do that. So you have to just make sure that you take few precautions just so that the cat hair doesn't cause a negative reaction in your body, and you will be perfectly all right. So that's it for this video. I hope you find your answer from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week. There is on Monday and Friday. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.